Ready to discover quality within your budget? Join us in today's video to explore top-notch yet affordable products. Don't forget to peek at the description for pricing and product highlights. Tineco Pure ONE S11 Ultra. The Tineco Pure ONE S11 cordless stick vacuum wins our top spot for best cleaning powers and overall performance, paired with a reasonable price point to match. It runs quietly across 3 power modes and reliably sucks up dirt, debris, and pet hair, plus it features a 4-stage HEPA filter and converts to a handheld. While this cordless stick vacuum works exceptionally well on carpet, you can also use it on bare floors. We love that it includes 6 attachments, including a head with LED lights, a power brush, and a hair cleaning tool. It also has a large dustbin that empties with a single release button and comes with a wall-mounted charging dock. While the color display is a step up from what most cordless stick vacuums offer, the icons are small and may be difficult to see for some. FABULETTA. The FABULETTA 35K HEPA cordless vacuum cleaner, a powerhouse of cleaning performance designed to tackle all your household needs. Equipped with a mighty 450 kW brushless motor, this stick vacuum effortlessly lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets, hard floors, and more. Featuring innovative headlights, the FABULETTA vacuum illuminates dark corners and under furniture, ensuring thorough cleaning even in low light conditions. With a remarkable 55 minutes of runtime, you can clean your entire home without interruption. The edge cleaning feature enables the vacuum to reach tight spaces and corners, leaving no area untouched. Its cordless design provides ultimate freedom of movement, allowing you to clean every inch of your home effortlessly. Ideal for pet owners, the FABULETTA vacuum effectively removes pet hair and dander, keeping your floors and carpets clean and fresh. Whether it's tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning tasks, this wireless household vacuum cleaner delivers exceptional suction power and performance. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the FABULETTA 35K HEPA cordless vacuum cleaner and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home environment with ease. JASTIP. Diverging from the conventional 6-battery configuration, the JASTIP stick vacuum cleaner introduces 8 batteries, augmenting your cleaning duration by a notable 35%. This extension equates to sufficient power to cleanse an area spanning 2,500 square feet. Our home vacuum cleaners offer variable runtime, ranging from 30 to 60 minutes at various suction levels. The batteries are conveniently detachable, enabling individual charging and ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Bid farewell to the annoyance of tangled hair clogging your vacuum cleaner. Our V-shaped brush roll efficiently gathers hair towards the center, swiftly drawing it into the motor, averting frustrating interruptions. Enhanced by advanced 7-layer filtration, our cordless vacuum range effectively captures 99.999% of dust particles, purifying the air as it effortlessly cleans your home. Sleek and lightweight, at a mere 3.3 pounds, our home vacuum cleaner is lighter than a standard carton of milk. Effortlessly tackle high-up areas with a single hand, liberating yourself from tiresome chores. The LED touchscreen facilitates convenient adjustment of the 3-level suction power and clearly displays the battery percentage. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our cordless vacuum cleaner's 500W motor delivers an impressive 45 kPa suction power every 0.2 seconds, providing over 60% more suction power. Bid farewell to stubborn dirt and pet hair on your carpets with effortless ease. Revel in a newfound level of cleanliness within your living space. Tryseek. The Tryseek 2207 vacuum cleaner boasts a fully sealed 5-stage high-efficiency filtration system, adept at capturing 99.99% of dust particles as minuscule as 0.1 micron, ensuring fresher air for you and your family. The removable and washable HEPA filter adds to the convenience of maintenance. Featuring an innovative V-shaped roller brush with a blend of hard and soft bristles, Tryseek home vacuum cleaners effectively minimize hair tangling, simplifying the cleaning of hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. Additionally, the 180-degree rotating brush head, equipped with 4 powerful LED lights, aids in illuminating dust particles lurking under furniture and in corners, leaving your home impeccably clean. The cordless stick vacuum adopts a removable 602 lithium-ion battery pack. With just 4 hours of charging, it delivers 20 minutes of runtime in max mode and 45 minutes in eco mode, ensuring ample battery endurance for daily use. The Tryseek 2207 cordless vacuum cleaner features a robust 180W latest upgraded motor, providing 26 kpp vacuum suction in max mode, effectively capturing various debris types such as pet hair, dust, grains, and cat litter. This makes it suitable for cleaning hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, tile floors, marble floors, and stairs. Micol. The Micol rolling brush for cordless vacuum cleaner is powered by an independent 30W electric motor, ensuring thorough cleaning of carpets and blankets. Utilizing the handle motor, both motors operate simultaneously, resulting in enhanced cleaning effectiveness. This configuration offers twice the power and 80% stronger cleaning performance compared to ordinary cordless vacuums. Its 5-stage, fully sealed cyclone filtration system effortlessly captures 99.99% of fine dust particle as small as around 0.1 microns, emitting purified, clean air to prevent secondary pollution. Moreover, the cordless vacuum cleaner features convenient one-touch bin emptying, keeping your hands free from dirt. The Micol cordless stick vacuum guarantees comprehensive cleaning throughout your home without the hassle of cord entanglement. The removable battery can be charged individually or while attached to the main body. Equipped with LED headlights, this cordless stick cleaner enables easy tracking of dust and debris in dimly lit areas. Its 6-in-1 flexible combination allows for versatile cleaning with a single vacuum cleaner. The vacuum swivels 108 degrees sideways and 90 degrees up and down, while the tangle-free roller integrates stiff and soft bristles, ensuring effective dirt pickup and surface protection. The wall-mountable storage design provides convenient storage and charging, keeping your home tidy and organized for the next use. With an ultra-quiet operating sound of less than 68 dB, this vacuum cleaner ensures a peaceful environment suitable for your baby and pets.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.